There are so many myths about motorcycles that people believe. Today, we are looking at the top 10 motorcycle myths. Let's check them out. Turning off motorcycle at high speed doesn't affect anything. Let's see turning off the motorcycle at high speed. Nothing happened. Well, while doing this repeatedly, this might have a slow impact on your motorcycle over time. For now, this myth is confirmed. The odometer does not record the distance when the motorcycle is moving in reverse. It only counts forward kilometers. To check this, here's trip B set to 0. Now let's go in reverse and see if trip B keeps counting the meters. As you can see, the trip B counted the meters even while we are going reverse. Hence, this myth is busted. Full-fared motorcycle mirrors can be also folded to the opposite side. Well, let's try it. Hence, this myth is confirmed. Riding motorcycle fast cools down the engine. As you can see, the temperature is increasing. Now let's ride faster and see what happens. As you can notice, the temperature starts dropping and cools down. Hence, this myth is confirmed. You can change gear without using the clutch or a quick shifter. Release the throttle, then upshift and get back on the throttle real quick. Well, let's try it. Hence, the myth is confirmed. Your motorcycle can go faster if you tuck while riding. Let's see the difference in a 0 to 100 test, while tucking and while in a normal riding position. No difference in both of the results, hence this myth is busted. You can slow down your motorcycle without using the brakes. When you need to reduce the speed, try downshifting gears. This might also help in sudden braking. Let's try slowing down the motorcycle using only downshifts, without applying the brakes. The motorcycle slowed down without using the brakes. Hence, this myth is confirmed. Using neutral gear while riding can save more fuel. Let's try shifting to neutral gear while riding. Since the RPM and the acceleration are at idle, while the tires are only running, fuel consumption is reduced. Hence, this myth is confirmed. Riding in higher gears can increase the mileage. Let's see how it does. Well, this is because the RPM is lower, around 3,500 to 4,000 in higher gears. Hence, this myth is confirmed. Motorcycles can't be launched from 6th gear without stalling at least once. Let's try that. I'm in 6th gear, and now let's launch it. no stall. It's about the rider's skill, not the motorcycle. Hence, this myth is busted. And that's all for today's video. If you have any myths in mind, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.